Back in Strapi, in our content type builder section, we are now able to use our Strapi AI to generate our collections. There's three ways to use it. One, you could import a file from Figma. You can import a project either from your computer or any project that you may have built with tools like V0. All you need is a zip file. And finally, you could just do it via prompting. Let's start by importing a project from Figma. If you click on Import from Figma, it will open up this modal, which will ask you to add your API key. You could click on the link to see the instructions, but I'll walk you through the simple steps. Here, navigate to your name, go into Settings, and under the Security tab, you can generate a new token. I already created a Strapi AI token, but I'm going to show you what I've selected. You click on Generate a New Token, you give it a name, Test, you set the expiration duration, and you give the scope. For the previous token I've created, I gave my user scope and all the files. Once you have that done, you could click on Generate Token. You'll get your API token, which you can go ahead and copy. Once you have your token, navigate back to your Strapi application and go ahead and paste it in. I'm going to go ahead, click Save Token. Now we need a Figma URL. You can get the Figma URL by going back to your application, selecting the design that you want to use. I'm going to use this landing page here. Make sure that you select the pane that you want and click Share. And here, click on Copy Link. This is going to give you the link to your project. Now, navigate back into Strapi. Go ahead and paste your Figma URL. And now you could click Import. This is going to go ahead and start the process. Notice you could see your project here at Strapi, and finally, let's click Finish. Notice that this went ahead and created the following items. It created a blog schema, category schema, our author, our collection types for global. This will hold our global settings, content for your website, such as site name, newsletter description, content information, and popular tags. It created our tags and Instagram post content type. You could see here on the left that it has all the different types for our author, our blog post, our categories, our global page, and our tags. And it also created our Instagram post. You can also ask follow-up prompts. For instance, I want to create the blocks for the landing page. So you could say, create blogs for the home page based on the provided Figma file, and click the Send button. You could also attach additional images if you need to. Nice, isn't this cool? You can create everything you need for your website using Strapi AI. You don't have to create everything with Strapi AI, but if you're having a writer's block or you're trying to figure out how to organize the data, this is one awesome way to explore. And you could always ask follow-up prompts using the chatbot or add additional images either via attached file, imported from Figma, or even import code, which is pretty cool. So let's refresh this project and take a look how we could actually generate our collection types from an actual project that we already have. For instance, your React project, we could import it via the zip file. So let's do that now.